Barnett Headhunter Strobe Lighted Crossbow Arrow 3 PACK. Fully assembled multicolored strobing lighted Nocks created to help crossbow users keep track of their arrow in dim lighting. Arrows are fast, accurate, and easy to use. Straightforward. No assembly required. These rugged polycarbonate half-moon Nocks use a pressure-sensitive design to begin strobing on impact and will continue strobing for 3 days. When not in use, easily disabled with an on-off toggle switch. Multicolor strobing lights. Pre-installed multicolor strobing light with alternating multiple color patterns, pulse fade, and flash to enhance visibility. Specs. Length 20, 13.78 grains per inch, plus or minus 0.006 straightness, tested for durability, 3 arrows per pack. For use with any crossbows compatible with standard diameter crossbow bolts supporting half-moon Nocks. Barnett. The most trusted name in crossbows since 1962.